Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw from your Bitget wallet to your bank account. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are right now on our Bitget wallet in the home screen, and from here we're going to navigate to our wallet section on the bottom right. From here you can see all the currencies that you own from the tokens and the amounts of them. Now, to withdraw to your bank account, you must own some tokens in either USDT or USDC. To do so, you're going to click on any of the currencies that you own, and then from here, you're going to click on Trade. Now, from here on Trade, you're going to select the bottom currency and transfer it to either USDT or USDC and ignore all the others. Once you do so, you're going to select however much amount you would like to transfer, and then once that is done, click on Confirm, and then from here, click on Trade. Once that is done, click on Confirm again, verify your identity, and then from here it's going to swap it instantly and you'll get it. Once that is done, you're going to go back to your home page, and then from here in the wallet section you can update it and see that you own USDT. Now from here click on more, and then from here click on sell crypto, and as you can see it gives you the option for USDC. Click on it and you can just change to whatever one that you have chosen. So for example, for USDT, if you have Ethereum, or we have in any other currencies, or for example Solana. And then from here, going to choose where to withdraw it. So you can choose either credit card or your debit card, PayPal, Venmo, MoonPay, or bank transfer. So if you're going to transfer it to your bank, simply click on that one. Click on however much amount you would like to transfer. And as you can see, there's a minimum sell amount to bank transfers of $25. But if you choose something like credit card, then it's going to show any other payment. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.